Hi, I'm Ramsha Arif and I'm from the class of 2023. I'm majoring in social development and policy, and along with that, I'm also pursuing a minor in communication and design. I'm also an HUTOP scholar, which is a 100% merit-based scholarship awarded to exceptionally well-rounded students. Of all the experiences that I've collected here at Habib University, a few have especially stood out for me. In my third year, as a part of a course, I designed a request for proposal communication campaign for Pathfinder International's project, I Am Resilient, I Am Change. The theme of my project was tackling early age marriages in Thar Parker, Sindh, and I was also given the opportunity to present my work in front of the representatives from both Pathfinder International and UNFPA. I've also led as a young design leader and workshop facilitator for the design thinking workshop at Habib University, which was based on the design thinking paradigm at Stanford. Along with that, I've also served as the vice lead of IUCN chapter of the Sustainability Club. For my undergraduate thesis, I'm pitching a case for the potential of an electronic court system in Pakistan as an attempt to help reduce dependency of cases and also speed up the process of justice in Pakistan. I recently interned at Engro Polymer and Chemicals. I was appointed as a commercial intern in which I was focusing on market development research, and I had the opportunity to work on multiple projects at Engro. I was previously appointed as a research and development intern at the Interactive Research Department at Indus Hospital and Health Network Karachi. I've also previously done a virtual internship in Bright Network UK in public sector policy and charity. Habib University has enabled me to think critically and outside the box. The concept of design thinking was first introduced to me at Habib, and since Habib is one of the very few universities in Pakistan that teach their students about design thinking, during my internship at Engro, I was given the opportunity to conduct a design thinking workshop for the entire commercial and sales department over there, with the aim to familiarize the employees with the design thinking methodology and how they could approach their problems using this lens. In addition to this, leading workshops and multiple projects in university has played a great role in enhancing my leadership, teamwork, and communication skills, which has also proven to be very useful in my previous internships and other spheres. My areas of interest lie mainly in the field of strategic planning, research, management, and policy making. I'm confident that I've attained exposure in all these relevant areas of interest in my previous internships and projects. In the future, I aspire to work in a firm where I can incorporate all these areas of interest as well as get exposure to other relevant fields and departments in order to further broaden and enhance my skill set.